Did you know that IOD stamps and molds are food safe? Did you know that? I'll bet you didn't know it. I'll bet you never even thought about it. I'll bet, like me, you've been using these wonderful products for your furniture upcycles and your home decor projects, but you never realized you can use them in the kitchen. Well, I'm Lori, I'm Milton's daughter in Brooklyn, New York, and today I'm going to show you how I made royal icing cookies and decorated using my IOD stamps. And just so you know, I am not a professional baker, I am a furniture artist, but if I can do this, you can do this, okay? So stick around. You're going to want to make your cookies ahead of time. Be sure to use a dough that allows you to roll your cookies out and use a cookie cutter. This is going to give you a nice, even, flat cookie to work with. In essence, this is your canvas for your decoration. You can use your favorite sugar cookie recipe, you could use your grandmother's sugar cookie recipe, or you could simply do what I did, which was take the lazy way out. I went to my grocer and found Pillsbury sugar cookie dough in the refrigerator aisle, and it worked fine as well. Now you have a choice. You can either make your own royal icing or you can buy it ready-made. I did both. Both worked well for me. If you would like to make your own, I'll drop the recipe that I used in the comments down below. If you would like to purchase it ready-made, I used Wilton's royal icing. It's widely available. It worked very, very well. Again, it's just a question of your personal comfort level. Either way, it's all good. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is get your royal icing ready. The idea is that we're going to end up with two different consistencies from the same base recipe. The first is going to be used as your piping icing, the second is going to be used as your fill or your flood icing, and the only difference between the two is that the piping icing is going to be thicker, more of a toothpaste consistency, and your fill or your flood icing is going to be more of a shampoo consistency. And the way you're going to achieve this is simply by adding water. Do not refrigerate your cookies. If you refrigerate your cookies, they're going to get a condensation on the top, and then when you go to decorate them, your decoration is just going to slide off the top, and you don't want that to happen. So keep them at room temperature. Make sure you let them dry out. It takes a good 8 to 12 hours for them to dry out, and then they should be ready to go. If you'd like to purchase IOD products, they're available on my website or in my shop in Brooklyn or from an IOD stockist located near you. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you in my next video.